Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert table in LibreOffice Impress. If you want to do it, you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to select here Table. Then you need to type here the number of columns and number of rows that you want to insert. For example, I type here 3 as a number of columns and maybe 4 as a number of rows. Now of course we need to click OK button to insert this table. And how you see table has been successfully inserted here. We can fill this table with the values or letters. So for example, I click here, I insert here a letter. Maybe I will insert here another letter, here another. So let's fill it with the letters. Let's check if it works correctly. Okay, so how you see this table has been successfully filled with letters. If I helped you to create your own table, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.